We changed direction last minute, left all your friends on the floor, sitting there stupefied by the words you were saying as it got up to answer the door. And in through the door slid a serpent, wearing your heart on his sleeve, smiling, slithering, sliming the crowd as it got down upon your knees. All of the people were watching, subject to something unsaid. It would have been better to leave it that way, where the power went straight to your head. Your eyes were on fire with winning, possessed by the prize you pursued. You spoke on behalf of the people who'd paid to partake of the music and food. And though you were warned by your brothers, no heed did you take of their plea. You forged on ahead and gambled instead with the trust of the community. Specious words did follow, leader misleading the pack, came to support the cause they were for, only to be stabbed in the back.